Hello friends, this is Rupchand and you are watching Group Digital channel. In this tutorial, you will be able to learn how to buy a domain from GoDaddy. So do not skip this video, watch it till the end.
So friends, this is my computer screen and you need to open to the Google Chrome. So in this search bar you have to write GoDaddy. Okay. So here you can see the top one GoDaddy. Okay. So you need to click this link and you will be land to the GoDaddy page. Okay. So before you are going to buy a domain names, you should create an account. Okay. So here is the option to create an account. So here is the new customer and here is the registered users. So if you have already registered with a GoDaddy account, so you need to click this one, and if you are new here, so you can create an account. Okay, here by clicking create my account. So creating an account is a very easy. Okay, so you can directly log in to your directly log in with your Facebook account or with your Google account. Either else you can create by manually. Okay, but I have already created my account, so that is the reason I'm not going to create another account. I will directly go to the registered user. So here I have to give my username and password, right? So I have given my username and password here. After that you need to click sign in. So once you have signed in this account, here you can see your name. As you can see my name. Okay. So here will be your name. So you need to go to the shopgodaddy.com page. Okay. So here you can find your perfect domain. So before you are finding a domain, you need to think about your niche. You need to think about your business. Okay, then you can find a domain name related to your niche, related to your business. Okay, let's give an example. I'm going to create and like gadgets website for the affiliate program. So I can find some digital, like my name is Rupchan, so I can buy a domain like digital roof okay, digitalroof.com. Let's check this domain is available or not. So search domain. Yes, this domain is available. Here you can see your domain is available for the 199 rupees per month. Okay, per month. But here the GoDaddy is suggesting others domain name as well. Digitalroof.co.in, it's 99 rupees. Okay, digitalroof.org, remove I need. So here you can see digitalroof.co.in 99 rupees, digitalroof.org 99 rupees, the various names .net .live. So you can find your the best, you can find your suitable domain names. Okay, with this price. Okay, so I'm going to buy digitalroof.org. It's 99 rupees, right? So it is the good for me and it is also the cheapest one, so I can select this one. So you need to add to the basket here. So the subtotal is 1498 rupees. Why? Because it's 2 years. Okay, but I'm going to buy a 1 year. So after 1 year you need to renew again. Okay, here is also the renews at 1069 years. You need to renew with this amount the next year. Okay, so if you are okay with their if you are okay with their prices, then you can continue to cart. So here will be the new page. So full domain privacy and protection. They are suggesting to take this one also, that full domain privacy and protection. Per year they will, for that the GoDaddy will charge you 299 rupees per year. If you don't want these are the protection and security, so you can directly click to the no thanks, I don't need. Okay, also they are suggesting to take business email, okay, or professional email. Okay, like you have your email id like xyz@gmail.com, but this is that Gmail id is not look like professional. But if you want to create an uh, professional mail id, then you can, they are offering 34 rupees per month for the professional Gmail account. Okay, so professional mail id. So same, they are also given an example like roopchand@digitalroop.com.org. Okay, so if you want this, you can take, otherwise you can click this one and you can say no thanks, I don't need this one. Okay, then continue to the cart. Okay, so one step has been finished and you are into sign in process. Sign in, billing information, payment and complete. You have to go, yeah, there is 4 steps are remaining. Okay, so here is also the same thing, the checkout, the price, they are showing the prices again. So 699 rupees, and they are giving you 50% off for the for the name of digitalroop.org domain. Okay, so subtotal is 699 rupees, then checkout. So here is the new pages where you can see your exact amount which is you need to be pay 699 rupees. Okay, so subtotal is the 699 rupees. So then checkout, click checkout, and here is the payment procedure. So if you are from the India, so you can keep your country same it is, and if you're not from India, you can choose your country from here. Okay, you can choose Bangladesh, you can choose Pakistan, you can choose China, you can choose USA, you can choose UK, wherever you're from. Okay, you can choose the country here. So you can pay by credit cards, or you can pay by net banking, you can pay by debit cards, you can pay by wallets, you can pay by UPI also. So I'm going to pay by UPI, is also fine for me. So payment, so here is also payment, so UPI payment. You can, so here you can give your address, billing information. I have already brought I have before I have already bought another domain. Okay, that is the reason address is still here, but if you want, you can edit your address, you can give your address here. Okay, then save. Okay, so here is the payment procedure. Okay, so here you can give your address, billing information. Okay, and digitalroop.co.org 699 rupees. Okay, next is, and you need to give to the taxes, including taxes will be 840 rupees. So total the domain price is complete. Okay, so billing, so here is the billing procedure. So the domain name is 699 rupees. Okay, and including tax is a 840.54 rupees. Okay, so taxes is a 141.54 rupees. So complete purchase. Okay, so here is your address will be here, and make payment, debit codes, I want to pay by UPI. So here note you will receive a payment request from CCA Venue in your UPI payment. So you can pay by credit card, you can pay by debit card, you can pay by net banking, you can pay by mobile payment, you can pay by wallet, and or you can payment by UPI. So I'm going to pay by UPI. So payment is done here. Okay, so here you will get the notification, thank you for your order. Okay, so order total was 840.54 rupees. Okay, so thank you. So here you can find your product. See, the digitalgroup.org. Okay,
Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. I hope this video you have liked it. If you liked my video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.